Hi, my name is Erin Staskowich, ID number 3057768. I will be showing you how to do a nail trim on a dog, and for this task you will need a couple of things. You will need nail trimmers and you will need quick stop or a quick stop equivalent, which is styptic powder. You can use flour or you can use cornstarch, and this is just for if you accidentally do quick your dog, this will stop the bleeding. So we're gonna get started. I'm just going to take the nail trimmers, and this is Wiley, and he's going to help me demonstrate how to do the nail trim. So you want to grab the dog's foot and take a look at the quicks here. So this pink part right here is the quick, and you don't want to hit that because that is what's going to bleed if you do accidentally hit it, and it can cause the dog some pain as well. So I'm just going to start clipping the nails, taking the tips off, rounding the edges without hitting the quick. So you can see I'm right to the quick there without hitting it. So it's also very helpful if you do have a nice sharp pair of clippers to perform this task. It just goes smoothly and it trims the nails really nicely. So there, I've rounded the edges. They're to the quicks, but we haven't cut any. We did a great job, and that's it. So he is all done. And usually what I do at the end of a nail trim, if the patient has been really good, we do treats, don't we, Wiley? There we go, good job, pal. I will be showing you how to do a nail trim on a cat. For this task, you will need a couple of things. You will need nail trimmers and you will need quick stop, just in case you do accidentally quick him, and this will stop the bleeding. So this is Cyrus, and he's going to help me demonstrate how to do the nail trim on a cat. So you want to push on the bottom of the cat's foot so that you can see the nails. This will help the nails come out. And you can see that they do have a quick there, and that is the part you don't want to hit. So I'm just going to take the edges, just like that. And again, a good sharp pair of nail trimmers do help. Good boy, Cy. Trying to move back on me. Good job, pal. And the dew claw. Dew claw, just the dew claw, pal. There we go, it's short. There we go. Got them all? Good job. So that's how you do a nail trim on a cat. So I'm going to show you how to pill a dog. For this task, you will need a pill and you will need a dog. So I have Vesper here helping me out. So I'm going to pill her. So you want to take the pill in your hand. You want to take your hand and gently open the muzzle and put the pill as far back in the throat as you can. So we're just going to do this. So open up and straight back there. Close the muzzle gently and rub the throat until they swallow. So I'm going to be showing you how to give oral medication from a syringe to a cat. This is Sunny, and he's going to help me demonstrate how to do this. So I'm just going to take my forefinger and my thumb and open his mouth. And I'm just going to shoot this to the side here. From the side, open his mouth and straight to the back of his throat. Rub his neck just to help him swallow. And he's all good. So I'm going to show you how to do urine collection for a dog, how to get some pee for urinalysis. This is Wiley, and he's going to help me do this. You're going to need a couple of things, something to collect the urine in, a container you can throw out afterwards that you're not going to use again, and sometimes a ladle is helpful, so that way you don't have to get as close to the dog if they're fearful of you getting too close. So we're going to see, and hopefully he'll pee for me. Gonna go for a pee, Wiley? So you want to get a midstream sample if you can, so not the beginning of his pee and not the end. So that's exactly what we did here. We got our sample and it's all good. So I'm going to show you how to place a gauze muzzle on a dog. What you're going to need to complete this task is a long piece of gauze, usually the length of your arm span. Sometimes you can make it longer if you want to double it for more security, but we're just going to do a single layer today. And it can be 1 or 2 inch gauze. And this is Shiloh, and he's going to let me put a gauze muzzle on him. So what we're gonna do first is take the gauze and tie it in a very loose knot like this. So you have your little loop here. So I'm gonna place it over his muzzle, just like so. And you should approach your dog from behind so that way they can't see you coming, remembering that this is gonna be an aggressive dog that you're placing this on. So you wanna make sure it's nice and secure. And then you're gonna go under the muzzle like this, crisscross it under his chin just once, and come up behind his head. You're gonna tie it in a loose bow here, nice and snug around the head, and tie this just like you would be tying your shoe in a bow. Nice and secure. And so that is how you place a gauze muzzle.